Namaskar everybody. Today Abhashujan from class 7th D is going to discuss about United Nations and Sustainable Development Goals. What is United Nations? The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization aiming to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation, and be a center for harmonizing the actions of nations. It is the world's largest and most familiar international organization. United Nations. Founded in San Francisco, California, United States on 24 October 1945. Founded on the signatures by United States, India, United Kingdom, and France. And President Antonio Guterres is the chief of United Nations. Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals or the global goals are the collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDGs were set up in 2015 by United Nations General Assembly and are intended to be achieved by the year 2030. What are 17 Sustainable Development Goals? First, no poverty. Second, zero hunger. Third, good health and well-being. Fourth, quality education. Fifth, gender equality. Sixth, clean water and sanitation. Seventh, affordable and clean energy. Eighth, decent work and economic growth. Ninth, industry innovation and infrastructure. Tenth, reduced inequality. 11th, sustainable cities and communities. 12th, responsible consumption and production. 13th, climate action. 14th, life below water. 15th, life on land. 16th, peace, justice, and strong institutions. 17th, partnerships for the goals. Goal number 1, no poverty. And poverty in all forms, so everywhere eradicating poverty is not a task of charity, it is an act of justice and a key to unlocking an enormous human potential. Still, nearly half of the world's population lives on poverty, and lack of food and clean water is killing thousands every single day of year. Goal number 2, zero hunger. The Zero Hunger SDGs focuses on finding sustainable solutions to stop world hunger. The goals of the Zero Hunger initiative are to end the hunger and make sure that enough nutritious foods are available to people by 2030. Goal number 3, good health and well-being. Well-being is a feeling of satisfaction with life in a state characterized by health, happiness, and prosperity. Health concerns the care of the human body and everything that can be done to protect it from sickness and the entails the action and enable access to care. Goal number 4, quality education. Education International, a Belgium-based organization, defines quality education as one that focuses on the social, emotional, mental, physical, and cognitive development of each student regardless of gender, race, ethnicity, socio-economic status, or geographical location. Goal number 5, gender equality. Gender equality is when people of all genders have equal rights, responsibilities, and opportunities. Everyone is affected by gender inequality, women, men, trans, and gender diverse people, children, and families, societies that value women and men as equal are safer and healthier. Gender equality is a human right. Goal number 6, clean water and sanitation. By 2030, improve water quality and by reducing pollution, eliminating dumping and minimizing release of hazardous chemicals and materials, having the proportion of untreated wastewater and sustainably increasing recycling and safe reuse globally. Goal number 7, affordable and clean energy. Ensuring universal access to affordable electricity by 2020 means investing in clean energy sources such as solar, wind, and thermal, adopting cost-effective standards for a wider range of technologies could also reduce the global electricity consumption by buildings and industry by 14%. Goal number 8, decent work and economic growth. Decent work means opportunities for everyone to get a work that is productive and delivers a fair income, security in the workplace, and social protection for families, better prospects for personal development and social integration. Goal number 9, industry innovation and infrastructure. Develop quality, reliable, sustainable, and resilient infrastructure, including regional and trans-border infrastructure to support economic development and human well-being, with a focus on affordable and equitable access for all is known as industry innovation and infrastructure. Goal number 10, reduced inequality. Ensure equal opportunity and reduce inequalities of outcome, including by eliminating discriminatory laws, policies, and practices and promoting appropriate legislation, policies, and action in this regard. Goal number 10, sustainable cities and communities. Make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable for all of us to survive and prosper. We need new intelligent urban planning that creates safe, affordable, and resilient cities with the green and culturally in spring living conditions. Goal number 12, responsible consumption and production. Sustainable consumption and production refers to the use of services and related products which respond to basic needs and bring a better quality of life while minimizing the use of natural resources and toxic materials, as well as the emissions of waste and pollutants over the life cycle of the service or product, so as not to jeopardize the needs of future and generations. Goal number 13, climate action. The aim of this strategy is to reduce vulnerability to the consequences of climate change, and that is to maintain or improve the adaptive capacity of natural, social, and economic systems as is known as climate action. Goal number 14, life below water. Conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, marine resources for sustainable development targets by 2025 prevent and significantly reduce marine pollution for all kinds and particular and land-based activities, including marine debris and nutrient pollution. Goal number 15, life on land. Protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems sustainably, manage forest, combat desertification and halt and reverse land degradation and halt biodiversity losses life on land. Goal number 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions, ensuring equal access to justice for all and protecting everyone's fundamental freedoms significantly, reducing violent deaths, torture, abuse, exploitation, discrimination, human trafficking, corruption, and organized crime in peace, justice, and strong institutions. Goal number 17, partnerships for the goals. It enhances the global partnership for sustainable development completed by multi-stakeholder partnerships that mobilize and share knowledge, expertise, technology, and financial resources to support the achievement of the sustainable development goals in all countries, in particular developing countries. So, this was all about United Nations and Sustainable Development Goals. Thanks for watching.